India, the land of Vedic wisdom, rich culture and knowledge. A land which symbolizes unity in diversity. Invention of zero or the secrets of yoga. India has given the whole world numerous priceless gifts since ages. A land that has always proven that she acquires a higher position among the greatest nations in the world.
Happy Independence Day everyone, I am Dev
And I'm Sam.
and welcome to
The Control Chaos.
Today we want to dedicate this video to the men and women who serve our country at the borders, defying death and standing tall among the ruthless and cruel cold heart of the Himalayas.
We want to show our respect and gratitude to those who sacrificed their life so that we could live peacefully. This is us saying thank you to each and every one of them for keeping us safe and setting an example of patriotism and bravado. We walk free and live independently because they are guarding the borders. They are keeping the enemy outside and stopping anyone from destroying us and this great nation.
Let's not forget those who live every luxury and comfort and guard the borders in the cruelest surroundings to keep this country from getting violated. This is for you, Indian Army.
The Indian Army is a voluntary service. There is a provision for military conscription in the Indian Constitution which implies forced recruitment in the army, but however, it has been never come into practice.
Siachen Glacier is the highest battlefield in the world and it is controlled by Indian Army. The temperature goes down up to minus 50 degrees Celsius at some times. The official duration of the posting is 3 months, but some brave soldiers spend 6 months there doing their duty. Even the helicopters have to be pushed to the limits to reach there to send supplies.
The Battle of Longewala, on which the film Border was based on, holds the record of the least number of casualties during a war in the history of Indian Army. Only 2 soldiers lost their lives among the 120 brave ones while battling 3,000 enemy soldiers during the war. If that's not amazing, I don't know what is.
Indian soldiers are considered as the best in high altitude and mountain warfare. The High Altitude Warfare School HAWS is one of the best of its kind, with special ops from USA, UK and Russia coming to train with them. The US Special Ops trained in HAWS before their Afghanistan invasion in 2001.
The Bailey Bridge is the highest man-made bridge in the world. Located in Dras and Suru River, it is 30 meters long and 5,602 meters above the sea level, and it was made by the Indian Army in August 1982.
When India defeated Pakistan in the war of 1971, 93,000 Pakistani soldiers were taken into custody after they surrendered. This marks the largest prisoner of war surrender in history since World War II.
The Indian Army is the third biggest military in the world, with number 1 being USA and number 2 being China. It has more than 1,325,000 active troops, more than 960,000 reserve troops, with above 40,000 of them reporting for duty regularly.
Major Somnath Sharma is the first ever Indian soldier to be awarded with the Paramveer Chakra, the highest gallantry award in India. He died while evicting Pakistani militants and raiders from Srinagar airport during the Indo-Pak War of 1947 and 48 in Kashmir. He was awarded posthumously for his bravery during the event. He belonged to the 4th Kumaon Regiment. Our salute to this brave son of Bharat Maa.
सांस थमती गई, नब्ज जमती गई, फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने दिया। कट गए सर हमारे तो कुछ गम नहीं, सर हिमालय का हमने न झुकने दिया। मरते मरते रहा बागपन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जान तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों।
Despite our different colors, beliefs, cultures and religions, we shouldn't forget that we are one in the end. No matter how different we are, at the end of the day, we are Indians. Yes, we are not perfect. Yes, our country has flaws. But then again, we do not give up on our mothers, do we?
We want to end this video by saying that we are born in one of the greatest countries in the world. Let's not forget who we are and where we come from. Let's always try to do good and make us and this great nation better and greater.
Let there be peace, unity and harmony.
I am Devashish,
And I'm Soumya.
wishing all my fellow Indians a very happy Independence Day. Do like and share this video with your friends. We'll see you in another segment of the Controlled Chaos.
Jai Hind.